In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in Claude app. So first of all, launch open Claude application. You can see over here Claude application has been opened. So if you want to log in to your account, it is actually very simple. You'll be able to continue with Google, or you can also enter your email over here. So simply tap on the login method that you prefer. Here I'm just going to tap on this option, enter your email. Now provide the email address associated with your account. Tap on the arrow icon that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, the verification code will be sent to your email. So what you have to do is simply open Gmail. You can see over here Gmail has been opened. Tap on the email sent by Anthropic. Now in this email, you'll be able to see the sign in link. Tap on the sign in link that you can see right over here on your screen. Now after you do that, if you have the Claude account, you'll directly be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Claude app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.